Looking for a smooth way to print item labels in C2W Inventory? In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know about creating and printing product labels. Using barcodes and product labels is an excellent way to organize your inventory. Before we start, you'll want to ensure everything is in place for successful label printing. We recommend using thermal label printers for their speed and efficiency. Brands like Brother, Dymo, or Zebra are great, but feel free to use any label printer you prefer. Let's set up your label printer, taking the Zebra label printer as an example, with label size 2 inches by 1 inch. Okay, first, let's set up your printer. Start by connecting it to your computer and installing the necessary drivers. If you haven't done this yet, you can download the latest drivers from the manufacturer's website. Once the driver is installed, let's adjust the printer settings to match your label size. Go to the control panel, then click on Hardware and Sound, and open Devices and Printers. Find your printer in the list, right-click on it, and choose Printing Preferences. Here, you'll want to enter the correct label size, which is 2 inches by 1 inch. Save your settings, and you're good to go. Alright, now that your printer is set up, let's configure label printing inside the C2W Inventory system. Go to the Manage Items section and select the item you need a label for. Click the Print Label button, and this will take you to the label print screen. Next, enter the correct label size, 2 inches by 1 inch, then choose your printer from the list. You can also customize your labels before printing. Simply untick the options for price, date, or title if you don't want them to appear on the label, giving you more control over what gets printed. Once that's done, click Generate Label. This will create a preview so you can check if everything looks right. If everything looks good, click Print, and your label will be sent to the printer. If you need to save the label for later, you can also export it as a PDF. Just click Export as PDF, and it will download the file to your computer. Now, let's go over a few more ways you can print labels, depending on your workflow. If you need to print labels directly from a purchase order, here's how to do it. Go to Purchasing, then open the Manage Purchase Order screen. Select the purchase order you want to print labels for and click the Nav to Item Label button. This will take you to the item label printing screen with all the item information preloaded. From here, just click Batch Print to print multiple items at once. If you're working with sales orders, the process is very similar. Head over to Sales, then open the Manage Sales Order screen. Select the sales order you need labels for and click the Nav to Item Label button. This will bring you to the item label printing screen, where you can also use the Batch Print button to print multiple labels at once. Need to quickly find a specific order? Navigate to Inventory, then open the Item Label Printing screen. Here, you can enter a sales order number or purchase order number in the search field. This lets you quickly locate the order you need and print labels instantly, making the process more efficient and seamless. If you have a list of items in an Excel sheet, you can quickly copy and paste item names and quantities into C2W Inventory for batch printing. Simply open the item label screen, copy your list from Excel, click Batch Copy Items to paste them, and then hit Batch Print to generate all your labels at once. If you've just imported a batch of items with initial quantities, here's how you can print their labels. First, go to Settings and open the Import Data screen. Select Item with Initial Inventory from the drop-down list. Once you download the template and fill it out, upload your data by clicking the Browse button. After the import is complete, go to the Import Result tab and click the Nav to Item Label button. This will take you to the item label printing screen, where you can use the Batch Print button to generate all your labels at once. And that's it. Now you know how to set up your printer and print item labels in C2W Inventory. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on more inventory management tips.